Welcome to ILCC Annual July Conference 2026.
Baba sifuna ukuzwa lokho sibizele khona awazi nje ukuhlanganisa kunenjongo ohlanganisela yona uNkulunkulu wathi ayibone Ulamakashanda limakosha Ini kotokoshaya Ina kasaya
uyakhuluma uJesu lapho bafundi bakabe bazalane uthi umuntu ufuna ukulandela mina ufuna uyidele abe bazalane
Indima yamanje asizideleni ukuze sifike lapho esifika ukufuka khona egameni lika Jesu.
iBhayibheli lithi wabinta abafundi babo wahlala nabo wathi kuna madoda unenzaba lefuna sesiyikhuluma lofuna ukumlandzela kadidze umbuto uthi abamlandzeli bamlandzela kodwa bamlandzela kudimension ephansi bamlandzela bakadidzeni ngoba kudidzela kukhona
khona leyokhuluma prophet uyayi-understand manje kanti leyona ayikhulumile sasa khona layofuna khona
yena uApostle Paul
I
ekhuluma
heard the Apostle Paul
ethi kunezinto
said
esasiyinzuzo
there are
ke
things that were of treasure to
uthi
me,
ngayishaya indiva
and I left them behind
uthi ngenxa yobukhulu
because of the greatness
bokumazi uKristu
of knowing the Lord.
Welcome to ILCC Annual July Conference 2026.